Everyone, Apple just added 3 really cool features to Keynote for iOS. 1. You can now play a video through multiple slides. 2. You can now add titles and captions to any video, photo, or shape. And 3. You can now set the direction for any motion path. So let's take a look.
Okay, let me demonstrate the multiple slide feature. So I'm going to take the intro video that I just recorded and I'm going to add it to 5 slides. I'm also going to reposition it so as I advance the slides, the video moves to another location on the slide.
Everyone, Apple just added 3 really cool features to Keynote for iOS. 1. You can now play a video through multiple slides. 2. You can now add titles and captions to any video, photo, or shape.
You will notice that the video plays continuously as I advance each slide.
So let's take a look.
You can also add titles and captions to any media. For example, if I select this video, go to the brush icon, the style menu, and then scroll all the way down and make sure that you select title and caption, and then just select the 2 buttons adjacent to those menu options. And then finally, you can customize the path of your symbol. So select the symbol and then select animate, and then choose add action, and then choose the option create path. Then draw the path of your object to where you want it to go. Click done. And then select motion path again, and then scroll down, and then where it says align to path off, select and turn it on, like so. Then you can make adjustments to the angle. Go ahead and play that back.
Everyone, Apple just added 3 really cool features to Keynote for iOS.
And there you have it, the latest features in Keynote for iOS. If you have any questions, leave comments in the comment section below. See you next time.